This is brand spanking new.
What's
It's
that
not
Avro
often.
thing? What's that? Is it the one?
No. What? I didn't bring in the Avro thing.
Why not?
Well, I don't know.
That
I
was...
left it out there.
Oh.
Why?
I thought
Did
that
you want to see that?
I thought people had been waiting years for that. I wanted to see what they've been waiting years for.
Well, it's sort of, but sort of not. I think this is more interesting.
All right, let's
Brand
go.
spanking.
Yep.
I never ever had this before.
Never, ever, ever, ever.
Never ever.
Never, ever, ever
No.
have I.
Now, Airfix aren't particularly well known for their 135 scale kits.
Why not?
I guess they've never actually done anything really good before. But this is all brand new,
Well, that's a bit subjective.
and they've done a really good job of it.
How do you know?
Look at the size of the box. And the truck itself is not that big, so there must be lots of bits. And from all the earlier reviews, it's showing up to be quite a good kit. So let's have a quick look. This one is actually, look at that thing and open it.
Oh,
Look at all the bits.
another box fingered by BJ. Here we go.
Yeah, all right.
Strap
There's
yourself
no
in.
here.
Strap yourselves in, guys. Talk us through it, Speech. What are we looking at?
So we're looking at the truck.
It's very sandy.
What do you mean?
Why is it sandy?
Sand coloured? Oh, no, I don't mind the colour like that. It's easy to see the bits. Cut them off. Accidentally drop them.
Do you know who I would love to see build this?
Who?
Tony P.
I tell you if you'll love this.
Would it?
Hmm.
Tony P, your kit's here.
So just to give you an idea of how clean this is, I mean, Airfix have traditionally been re-releasing all their old stuff, and unfortunately it does look old. I mean, it's good for old stuff, but
Yeah.
it's time they did something fresh. And this is super clean. Can you see the mesh on there? And then you see how clean the details are on the wheels. Let's see if I'm getting a bit closer.
I can see the mesh on there. I can't even believe that you'll get. No, you're going to need a macro. You're not going to see. You're not even going to get a wash to see that. It is so well textured. I don't even know how you create that. No, you're good.
Is that good?
You just can't see the mesh.
Oh, okay.
It's
The meshing is really fine. Super fine.
super fine mesh.
And super clean molds. And look at the wheels.
It's funny, isn't it? Because probably a lot of people are just going to weather the crap out of it.
They will, but I mean,
No.
all this detail you'll still be able to see. If you had a really soft-looking kit, no matter how much you weather it, it's still not going to look right. See all these bits?
And
This is just for this little ambulance.
And they're numbered really nice.
Yeah, it's a really nice,
Nice, thick and
clear
robust.
bits.
I love a robust sprue. Oh, the
Clear butts are pretty clear.
clear bits are pretty clear, aren't they?
Yeah, and that's what you would expect out of a pretty modern kit. And then we've got this big bag. Let's go a bit. Big bag with a couple of sprue in it. Okay, so it's not just a little truck with little sprue inside a big box. That actually fills the whole box. And there's a lot of bits here.
Geez, you built it from the chassis rails.
Yeah. How much detail is that?
Wow. So there's not a
So
chassis.
there's a floor pan.
There's a floor pan, but you
Okay,
built
so
it
that's
from the
basically the
chassis rails.
size of this truck I've just built. It's going to have a little bit of bonnet there. But look at all the bits that you need. And some photo etch.
Oh, that's enough to drive you insane.
And here's a, look at that, big decal sheet. You reckon it's an ambulance?
I'm not sure.
Could be. There we go. Really nice. Lots of people looking forward to this.
Yeah?
Brand spankers.
So what's it called? The
Austin ambulance.
Austin K2Y. Why an ambulance?
How good is
What
it?
do you reckon?
I reckon it's good. Something different. And it's good that they're concentrating on the British type stuff.
This one's called Pat.
Is it?
Pat the pig.
Is that a pig there?
I'm not sure.
Is it a boar? Alright.
I'm probably boring people at the moment. That's what's probably boring.
So there we go. So brand new plastic kits that have just come in.
And this one is fit for Tony P.
Yep.
I'm calling it.
Yep.
I'm calling it a Tony P special.
Alright.